Hello guys, welcome to our channel Your Interview Guide. Our mission is to help you guys in your interview related process by sharing important information like top interview questions with answers, important interview tricks, tips related to your body language, and most important, how you can impress the interviewer with your answers. Guys, when you go for an interview, there are a lot of factors which effectively and collaboratively gives you positive impression and make you look as a best suitable candidate for this job. As you all know, there is a saying, first impression is the last impression. So starting from what you wear to what you speak and how your body language is throughout your interview all concludes or defines whether you'll get this job or not. So as in our previous introductory video, we shared that there are two types of questions asked by an interviewer. One is general questions like tell me about yourself, why should we hire you, why do you want to work here, and questions related to your salary expectations, etc. These are the questions which don't change irrespective of the company you are applying for. And another one is company specific, like what do you know about this company, why do you want this job, etc., which changes according to the job profile of the company. Sometimes we take these general questions or HR round questions so easy and we try to give answers without prior preparations. But what we forget is that these are screening questions in which interviewer gives you hardly a minute to answer and you have to prove yourself as a unique or best suitable person for this job in comparison to other candidates. So in this video as well in future videos, we will discuss the questions as well as the different possible answers which can be asked by an interviewer in an interview process so that you can face the interview with confidence after full preparation and you can easily land your dream job. So the first question comes is tell me about yourself. You walk into a room, shake hands with your interviewer and sit down with your best smile on. Guess what? The first question is tell me about yourself. Just after these questions, most of the candidates will spend the next 5 minutes rambling on about what an easygoing, loyal, dedicated, hardworking employee they have been. If this is the case, you stand a good chance of having bored your interviewer to death, thus creating a negative first impression. Because it's such a common interview questions and it's strange that most candidates don't spend the time to prepare for exactly how to answer it. Perhaps because the question seems so disarming and informal, we drop our guards and shift into ramble mode. Resist all temptation to do so. So your interviewer is not looking for a 10-minute dissertation here. Instead, offer a razor sharp sentence or two that sets the stage for further discussion and sets you apart from your competitors. For the best answer to this question, you have to do two things. You have to tell your unique selling proposition or USP. Basically, it's a one description of who you are, your biggest strength, and the major benefit that a company will drive from this strength. So if you are fresher, then you have to tell all the extracurricular activities in which you have participated during your degree and what you have learned from it. What's positive thing for a company? For example, say you are applying in a software industry and while pursuing your degree, you have been part of various technical community or events. So you should mention all those things related to that. Like you can say that I was a lead or a member of a community or event, names something whatever you what in which you have participated, organized by any of the company name, and they will benefit to your company by give us the damn best answer or a reason for choosing you. And if you are an experienced professional, then you should tell the benefits that they can drive from your experience. But don't forget to include the monetary value of your work, which you have either helped to make or save for your employer. The advantages of this approach are that you likely gain the attention of the employer and interest them in knowing more. You'll separate yourself from other competitors too. You'll have a higher chance of being positively remembered and hired. So now the second question comes that why do you want to join their company? Or why do you want to join our company and what interests you about this job? So guys, before starting this question, whenever you are asked about what interests you about the position you are interviewing for, the best way to respond is to describe the qualifications listed in the job posting, then connect them to your skills and experience. That's the way the employer will see that you know about the job you are interviewing for and that you have the qualifications necessary to do this job. For example, if you're interviewing for a human resource manager job where you would be responsible for recruiting, orientation, and training, you'll want to discuss how you were responsible for these functions in your past positions and why you are interested in continuing to develop your expertise in human resource management. So similarly, there is another example that if you're interviewing for a programmer position, in that case, you would mention your interest in learning and excel at new technologies, your experience in programming, and your interest and ability to solve the problem. Then the third and the final question that we will going to include in our video is, why do you want this job? So here the interviewer wants to see your enthusiasm for this opportunity or job, and wants to know what you think about yourself and why you are the best suited person for this job. So here are the few answers you can give. The first is, the work I find most stimulating allows me to use both my creative and research skills. The buzz on this company is that it rewards people who deliver solutions to the substantial problem. Another answer you can give is, this job is a good fit for what I have been interested in throughout my career. It offers a nice mix of short and long term activities. My short term achievements keeps me cranked up, and the long term accomplishments make me feel like a billion bucks. There are other answers also which you can give. Like, you can give another answer like, I am seeking challenging assignments that would facilitate the maximum utilization application of my broad skills and expertise in making a positive difference to the organization. And when I go through your advertisement for this job, I found it best suited match for my expertise and experience. So guys, this is it for this video. In this video we have shared few questions that will help you out in your job interview questions. So in the next video, or a part second, we will cover few more questions which will surely benefit you in your interview process. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our video, do subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much.